The A1 difference is about delivering more than just roofing, siding, and gutter services. It's about redefining the home improvement experience for every homeowner we serve. At A1 Home Improvement, we bring over 35 years of expertise to the table, paired with a deeply personal, family oriented approach that ensures each project receives the care and attention it deserves. We're not just here to enhance your home, we're here to build lasting relationships based on trust, integrity, and unmatched craftsmanship. What truly sets us apart is our unwavering dedication to quality. As one of only 5 Owens Corning Platinum preferred contractors in Connecticut, we have access to the finest materials and cutting edge techniques available in the industry. This elite status is a reflection of our commitment to excellence. Whether we're installing a new roof, replacing siding, or upgrading gutters, we use products designed for longevity, beauty, and superior performance. When you choose A1, you're investing in solutions that protect and enhance your home for years to come. However, the A1 difference extends far beyond the products we use. It's rooted in our customer first philosophy, which prioritizes your satisfaction at every stage of the process. From the moment you contact us, our team is dedicated to providing clear and consistent communication, expert guidance, and personalized service tailored to your specific needs. We know how important your home is to you, and we make it our mission to treat it with the same level of respect and care as we would our own. Every project we undertake is an opportunity to exceed expectations. Our attention to detail, punctuality, and commitment to thorough cleanup ensure that your experience is as seamless and stress-free as possible. This approach has earned us the trust of over 5,000 homeowners across Connecticut and hundreds of glowing 5-star reviews on platforms like Google, Angie's List, and Home Advisor. These testimonials are not just words. They are proof of the lasting impact we've made on families and communities. At A1 Home Improvement, we believe that home improvement is about more than just enhancing your property. It's about improving your quality of life. A stronger, safer, and more beautiful home brings peace of mind, comfort, and pride. When you choose us, you're not just hiring a contractor. You're partnering with a team of professionals who are passionate about making your vision a reality. The A1 difference is about going above and beyond, treating every home as if it were our own, and delivering results that speak for themselves. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, we're with you every step of the way, ensuring that your project is completed with precision, care, and unparalleled expertise. Let us show you why thousands of homeowners trust A1 Home Improvement to elevate their homes and transform their lives. Experience the A1 difference today.